The Huawei Nova 7i is a new smartphone from the Chinese company with decent and amazing body design. The phone will be arriving as the fifth in the Nova 7 series. Looking at the device, it's not an entirely new phone. The design and display. The Huawei Nova 7i is a new phone, but just as mentioned above, there is nothing spectacular about the phone. It comes with the same body design as the Nova 6. The entire body measures 159.2 by 76.3 by 8.7 mm in dimension and it weighs 183 grams. On the panel, you will notice the quad camera setup that is arranged horizontally alongside an LED flash. As for the fingerprint scanner, it has been moved on the side for security. The front of the Nova 7i is made of glass, which will surely increase its durability. The punch hole is where the front camera is hidden. The phone offers a large screen display size of 6.4 inches that make use of LTPS IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen. Furthermore, it has a resolution of 1080 by 2310 pixels and 398 pixels per inch density plus display protection. According to the maker, Huawei Nova 7i is a mid-range device that parades 48 megapixel main camera in its quad camera system. The camera includes an 8-megapixel ultrawide sensor and a dual 2-megapixel dedicated lens for capturing macro shots. Some of the main camera features include an LED flash, HDR, panorama, and it can shoot 4K video quality. Selfies lovers will get a single front camera of 16 megapixel, which is also for video calling. One of the major features of the Huawei Nova 7i is the Me Time, which ensures good audio and video quality through the front even in dim light conditions. The manufacturer also claims that this is the best when it comes to using it as a selfie video camera. Booting the device is the latest Android 10 OS with EMUI 10 user interface. It will also have a similar high-silicon Kirin 810 chipset on the hood with an octa-core processor clocking at a speed of 2.27 GHz. The inbuilt storage on the phone is 128 GB paired with 8 GB RAM. There is a shared SIM slot for additional storage, that is if you want to expand the memory. The Huawei Nova 7i has a non-removable battery of 4200 mAh that comes with 40-watt fast charging. The Huawei Nova 7i will be available on February with a price tag of $317.